Hello, today I want to pick this Fichet 484, which is a French lever sidebar lock with two sidebars on the 3 and 9 o'clock. Each sidebar has 5 levers, as you can see here, by these markings on the key. There are 2 in the top left, 3 in the bottom left, and 3 in the top right and 2 in the bottom right. These levers have true gates as well as false gates. These false gates are pretty hard to get out of. You can sometimes get out of some of them, but it's best to just preset the levers through these false gates before it's too late. There's also these 2 interactive pins. They aren't really interactive since there's no interactive element on this key, just this, which pushes these pins. So yeah, quite an old lock, probably quite difficult. So the only thing that's left is to try picking it. Let's wipe this chrome face once again and see how it goes. Let's tension this way and start. Nothing in the left on the bottom. Okay, 2 is set. Let's preset 3. One in the top left is binding. Okay. 2 in the bottom has partially dropped. It's fine. 3 as well. Springy. Okay, this one's fine. Bottom right. We have set it a little. Something has dropped, but no worries for now. Top 2. Right top 2. Set a little. Nothing in one yet. Bottom right 2. Fine. Okay, bottom left 2. It's good now. 3 is good. 1 is good. 2 is good. Top left 2. was dropped. Top right 2 and 3 are fine. Bottom right 2 is fine. Bottom left 1 is fine. 2 is fine. 3 it's setting. Okay, 1's good. 2 is good. 3 good. Top left 2 is fine. 1 disappeared, but that just happens with this lock. We can try to preset this one. Not yet. Okay, not yet. 2 needed a small push. Now 3 was able to be preset. Another click out of 3. 2 is fine. How about 3 now? Okay. 1's okay. That's 2. Click out of 3. Another click out of 1. 2 is still fine. Another click out of 3. Click, click, click. Click out of 1. Click out of 3. Let's check other levers. 2 on the top left. Nothing. 1 on the bottom left is fine. 2 is fine. Possibly a click on 3. Bottom right 2. I think that was a click. 1 needs a click in the top right. 2 is fine. 3 a click. Another click out of 1. 2, 3. 2 is fine. 1 is still absent. Very high lift. It's just okay. Bottom left is fine. Bottom right is fine. 1 is fine in the top right. Possibly a small click out of 3. Top left 2 small click. 2 is fine in the bottom left. 3 is fine as well. 1's fine in the bottom right. 2 is fine. So it's fine here. 1 still missing, but should be okay. Turn the bottom right is fine. Top right 1's fine, 2's fine. Click out of 3, I think. Let's increase the tension a little bit to shorten this tapered face, because I think most of our levers are pretty much set already. Oh, sorry. And bottom left, 1 is fine, 2 is fine, 3 is fine. Still high tension. 1, 2 are fine. Bottom right, top right, 1 is fine, 2 is fine, 3 is fine. Here everything is fine. 1, 2. 3 is okay. That's good, that's good. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Not much progress now. But that is to be expected. Wait a second. 1, 2. Something has dropped slightly, or maybe not so slightly. Yeah, we have backtracked a little, but that's fine. Okay, some core rotation on 1. On the right, 2 is fine. Bottom 1 is fine. 2 had a major drop. All the way. Good click out of 2, top left. 1 is still missing. That's okay though. Three in the bottom left. Good click. Feels set. First feels good. 3 here. I mean 2. Is fine. 1, bottom right, fine. 2 is fine. Click out of 1, bottom left, maybe click out of 2. Alright. Maybe we need to check the interactives now. No, not yet. Some levers is holding us back. Okay, 2 is springy here. One is absent, but that should be fine. Okay. I need to pick this one here. Possibly interactives, no, not yet. One on the right is fine, on the left is fine, on the right is fine. Which lever is it? Not necessarily one, it could be multiple. Bottom right is fine, top right. Two is fine. Three is fine. Click out of bottom right. Click out of top right. Bottom right, yes. I'm focused now, so okay, correlation on the bottom right too. So I'll click on the bottom right one, and we should be very close now. Okay, 1 is fine, 2 is fine, 3 is fine. This one's fine. Good, click out of 3. We're almost there, I think. Yeah. And the co-rotation on bottom right one. and reopen. Okay. That was the battle. Sorry it took me so that long, but that's just a difficult lock to pick. And especially a time-consuming one. Right. Let's get it. Got it. As you can see, it is in fact picked. I could maybe pick it a bit more. Yeah. Like that. Now to close it, I need to pick this pin. Awesome. Yeah, that's a cool lock to pick, definitely. Left one and the right one. Same with the levers. Left and the right one. Now we have just the core here. As the housing. To 180. Oh, that's cool. To 180 this lock. You need to pick it twice essentially, because there's two channels, two sidebars. So when you 180 it, the sidebars lock again, but also these pins lock again because they are drilled here as well. Sorry. Oh shit. Yeah, tensioning hand is being funny a little. This lock requires quite a bit of force. Tensioning Fichet is like that. Yeah, there we have these levers. Shit. Okay, I need to relax my hand a little. Sorry about that. It's just... But this is going to be better. There we have these levers. Beautiful, beautiful levers. With the false gates. Let's take something finer. There we have a true gate, of course. There we have a false gate with a step behind it. You can see, right? Where's the lever? There we have it. This step behind the false gate. 5 levers here. There's one. one on the bottom. There are two false gates here in the number 2 on the bottom. One is here, the second one with the step, and then there's a false, and this one is the same. Yeah, about the top, also two false gates. Beautiful lock. That's the top then. Top one. High lift with two false gates. These are medium lifts with like one false gate, one false gate. There is the bottom. There's one. A mid lift. Just like that. No step even. There's two medium lift with one false gate here. Yeah, this is it. The sidebar. These bridges between these bits are what interacts with the sidebar. Awesome. And these pins are nothing special. Just this. Okay, I believe that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day and bye bye.